Hey guys, welcome to How to Library. Today I'm going to show you how to create a thread on your Discord server. So first we're going to go on your Discord server and I'm going to swipe to the left right now, and then we're going to click on the top right corner on the little person icon. Once you do that, you have threads, pins, notifications, and settings. So we're going to click on the threads option, create a thread, thread name. Hey guys. So when people come in, they feel welcomed, and welcome to the server. And that's about it. Thank you guys for watching. Do click the like button if this video helped you, and subscribe to our channel for more helpful videos. Bye.